Hi dear students. So we have a new question in front of you. So as part of Brainiac's doubt clearance sessions, today we will be handling this question. Okay. So what is the question they have asked you? So if 3.01 into 10 power 20 molecules are removed from 98 milligram of sulfuric acid, then the number of moles of sulfuric acid left behind. Okay. So this question is very good actually. This is actually checking whether you know the conversion between different units. So we can assume the situation like you have, okay, so you have uh, sulfuric acid taken, okay, maybe in a test tube. Let's assume, okay. Now, how much is this? They are telling this sulfuric acid initially you are taken is 98 milligram, okay, and now you have removed, okay. Now you have removed some sulfuric acid. Removed how much sulfuric acid? 3.01 into 10 power 20 sulfuric acid is removed. Now if you are after removing, you will be having some sulfuric acid left behind. Correct? So they are asking you how much moles of sulfuric acid is left behind. Now what is the idea you are feeling? It is like very simple. Suppose you have 5 liters of milk. Somebody has taken 3 liters of milk and they are asking you how much liters of milk is left behind. Very easy, right? 5 minus 3, 2. But how you are able to do this, because all are liters of milk, correct? But here is where the questionnaire has purposefully given you the initial mass in milligram, and the amount he removed is given in the form of molecules, and the final value they are asking you in number of moles. So here what is our challenge? We need to find the answer in number of moles. So we need to convert this 98 milligram to what? Number of moles, correct? So we need to convert this into number of moles, and we want to convert the value, the amount of sulfuric acid that is removed also into number of moles. Then it is easy for us. We can subtract the initial value of number of moles from the final number of moles to get the output, correct? So we will now focus on doing that. Okay, so now tell me 98 milligram of sulfuric acid is equivalent to how many moles? I know that 1 mole, okay, H2SO4, that is sulfuric acid, has a mass is equal to molecular mass expressed in grams, that is 98 gram, correct? So I know that 98 gram is having 1 mole, but what is given to you is 98 milligram. So how can you convert 98 gram to 98 milligram? Multiply by 10 power minus 3. So 10 power minus 3 you are multiplying. So now I can say this is equal to 98 into 10 power minus 3 gram is equal to 98 milligram. So multiply on the LHS also by 10 power minus 3. So this will become 10 power minus 3 mole. Correct? 10 power minus 3 mole sulfuric acid. Now I got the value. 10 power minus 3 was the initial number of moles taken. So I can say 10 power minus 3 mole were there initially. Now I need to convert this 3.01 into 10 power 20 into number of moles. I know that 1 mole has how many molecules of sulfuric acid? 1 mole of H2SO4 has, I can say, Avogadro number. This we have learned. 6.022 into 10 power 23 molecules, correct? 10 power 23 molecules of H2SO4, correct? Now, now listen. Now we need to find out not for this one. I need to know in 3.01 into 10 power 20 how many moles are there. So first let me convert this into one molecule. To make this value one molecule, what you need to do, divide by the same number. So this will become one molecule H2SO4, correct? When you are dividing by 6.022 into 10 power 23. You need to divide it, so it will become 1 molecule H2SO4. When you divide it on the RHS, do it on the LHS. So this will become 1 by 6.022 into 10 power 23 moles of H2SO4. Correct? Okay, now I can convert this one molecule to any particular value I need. So I want to convert this into 3.01 into 10 power 20 molecules. What should I do? I should multiply by 3 into 10 power 20. So this will become 3 into 10 power 20 molecule H2SO4. Correct? That is the easiest way. Convert the value to 1, then multiply by the respective number. You will get that. So if you are multiplying by 3 into 10 power 20, do it on the LHS also. So this will become 3 into 10 power 20 divided by, I can approximate it, 6 into 10 power 23. Then this will become moles of H2SO4. Correct? So right now I know that 3 into 10 power 20 molecules of H2SO4 has how many moles? 3 into 10 power 20 divided by 6 into 10 power 23. So if you do this calculation, this will be that number of moles. So what is this value? I can say this value is 0.5, 0.5 into 10 power minus 3 moles. Correct? So I now know that the amount of moles, the number of moles removed is equal to how much? 0.5 into 10 power minus 3. Correct? So what is then finally left behind? So I will take another color for your understanding. So I can say finally the amount that is left behind, that is equal to 10 power minus 3 was initially present, minus how much is removed? 0.5 into 10 power minus 3 is removed. So what is that value? I can take 10 power minus 3 common. So this will become 1 minus 0.5, and the value, the final value is 0.5 into 10 power minus 3 moles is left behind. So this value, the amount is equal to, in moles, is equal to 0.5 into 10 power minus 3 moles. So which is that answer? 0.5 into 10 power minus 3. B option is correct. So the fundamental of this question is nothing, simple subtraction. They can, but they have given you in different units. You need to convert this into one single unit, which you need to find out the answer. Okay, so if you have understood the explanation, please subscribe our channel so that you will get more videos of similar nature. Thank you.